Hello everyone, I'm Brent Fisbeck from WorkBrow. I'm in beautiful Findlay, Ohio this week. Going to talk about our reverse V-bottom rock bucket, commonly found in the South market, specifically in Texas. This is a severe duty build bucket with a double plate on the bottom for added support. As you can tell, it comes with twin tiger teeth for more penetration on the material that you're trying to dig. Also, it's really great at hard surfaces, breaking up caliche, shell, anything like that where a normal bucket wouldn't suffice in. While this bucket is amazing for breaking up rock and other hard materials in the ground, it's not necessarily a good bucket for mass production. You would probably want to go to one of our severe or extreme duty buckets. We make these from a 12 to 40 metric ton machine option, 3 different sizes, 24, 30, and 36 inch options. We keep a few of these in stock. The 24 and 30 inch buckets would have 5 twin tiger teeth, as when you get into the 36 inch version, it will have 7 twin tiger teeth on it. If you want to know more information about a V-bottom rock bucket, reach out to your local dealer or contact WorkBrow direct. Thank you.